Now, 2 persons have been taken into custody following the seizure of a ballistic vest and electronic devices in Linstead, St. Catherine. The details in this report.
This ballistic vest and electronic devices are just some of the items recovered by the police during an operation in St. Catherine recently. The St. Catherine North Police, acting on intelligence, swooped down on a property in an area known as Trinity in Linstead. Detective Inspector Balby Thomas is in charge of crime in the division.
Several laptop phones, 3 magazines, seems to be from Glock, a ballistic vest, a round, thumb drive, and cables. These items, our information is that these items are used to open iPhones.
The seizure comes at a time when persons have been warned to remain vigilant during the festive season. The police have also intensified their operations. We asked whether the St. Catherine North Police have seen an increase in break-ins.
It's not a really uptake, but we have some break-ins in the Linstead area that are unsolved, and we also suspect that some of these items may come as far as from St. Anne.
In the meantime, this appeal from the police.
I'm asking members of the public, if any of these items were stolen from them, they are to contact the St. Catherine North CIB at 334-5377 or 884-8861.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.